It can be plugged in. Why replace the battery? This Apple laptop requires a battery replacement. But the laptop looks fine. And it works perfectly. Why did the fan insist on a battery replacement? Opening the back cover. Now you see why. The battery is swollen. Continued use would be very dangerous. A swollen battery might still work. But for safety reasons, it's safer to replace it. The battery is now removed. Replacing the battery seems easy. But it's best not to do it yourself. First, you need to disconnect the battery cable. Otherwise, a direct replacement might burn the motherboard. Second, don't pry the battery. Otherwise, you might start a fire. I know you, Apple. This part is unclear and needs clarification from the original context. Third, there are other cables around the battery, like the trackpad cable. Careless handling might cause trackpad malfunction. Leave professional jobs to professionals. I'm watching. So lovely. Next, remove the new battery. Install it. Tighten all screws. Remove the protective film. Connect the battery cable. Clean the back cover. Regretting this performance. Pity. Tighten all screws. Why suffer? The laptop's battery is now replaced. If your laptop has a short battery life or a swollen battery, DM me immediately.